Warm greetings on behalf of Friday Waters, an initiative of W4W Foundation, a think tank built as Citizens Collective. We welcome you to today's session of Friday Water Arts. Friday Waters is a continuation of signature series Wednesdays for Water. The activities initiated as a series for Friday Waters include Water Talkies, Water Reading Club, Water Thesis Club, and Water Arts. And sometimes when we have a jackpot, we also have Meet a Maestro. The idea of Friday Waters is to bring water knowledge available in various alternate forms at one place to highlight the opportunities and challenges related to water. The idea is also to increase the outreach of the alternate water practices in the water networks, as well as in the society at large. The Friday Water sessions are designed to be fun-filled and yet fruitful to learn about water matters. The Friday Water Arts aims to bring in artists who practice different art forms to the session and learn about their water endeavors, understand the way they look at water, and at the same time, the way they try to express in their art form. My name is Mansi Balbhargav, and I'm the host from W4W today. In today's water arts session, we have a visual art form. And the topic of today is what Water Commons taught my art. And we have the artist thinker, Indrajit Sinha. Before I invite Indrajit to share his ideas, thoughts, and works on unique artwork he practices, I would also like to introduce him briefly. Indrajit Sinha is a humanitarian visual communication specialist and program designer. With over a decade of experience across India and globally, he works at the intersection of art, equity, and systems change, translating complex social themes into simple illustrated narratives. Through his visual storytelling practice, he supports nonprofits and change makers in making their work more accessible, reflective, and impactful. He has collaborated with many credible organizations like World Bank, UNDP, UNICEF, FES, Bridgespan, just to name a few, and many others. Thank you so much, Indrajit, for accepting our invitation. And also, I am very much looking forward to having a conversation. But before we have the conversation, I am just curious, how do you relate yourself with water activities? And I have seen some amount of your artwork, and it spans from, ethnographic work, water work. It spans from all kinds of nice humor and quite serious work as well. How do you actually relate yourself with a lot of activities from rural to urban to corporate to political to landscape to waterscape? I see things coming up in a very nice way, very simple way, as you also mentioned. Looking forward to it, and over to you for your opening remarks, and we'll take the conversation from there.
Perfect. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Great. Thanks, Mansi, for inviting me in this interesting space that you have created. And I've heard from a lot of people that how you are relentlessly working, towards creating this knowledge bank, and get all kind of people from cross sector, and so that we all can drive positive and meaningful change. So first of all, thanks a lot. And I'm also glad that you like the work that I do. So basically I am a systems thinker first, and then ये interesting है कि मैं थोड़ा सा drawing बना लेता हूँ तो किसी को पसंद आ जाता है. That is my side thing, but I largely tend to think about systems with my art, and because my art is something which helps me to think through what is generally हम खुली आंखों से हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं कुछ चीजें, right? So that's where my art comes in. So मेरा रिश्ता आर्ट के साथ, मैं वाटर के साथ, वाटर कॉमन्स के साथ, एंड ये सारा जो मैं काम कर भी रहा हूँ अभी अलग अलग स्पेसेस में अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ, really roots from my personal journey of having to see flood. I come from a small, town in Northeast India, Silchar, and then यहाँ पे flood is like a, yearly thing, right? And in my childhood, I have spent many floods in relief camps, right? So and मैंने पानी को काफी करीब से देखा है, right? तो फिर उसी टाइम पे काफी सारी चीजें हुई मेरे साथ, कुछ रियलाइजेशन हुई मेरे साथ जो मैं शायद आपके साथ अभी शेयर करने की कोशिश करूंगा. I will try to share those realization that I felt back in those days only. फिर धीरे धीरे एज आई ग्रो अप डेफिनेटली उसमें शेप आया काफी ज्यादा. आज मैं जब उस कहानी को वापस देखता हूँ तो मुझे रियलाइज होता है कि एग्जैक्टली आई मीन दिस, आई मीन वी जस्ट से वाटर कॉमन बट देन ये कुछ अलग ही चीज है. If someone can understand it, it's a different thing. So I would like to show this with the help of a a visual story. Maybe might be interesting for some of your audience. So let me share the screen.
Yes, please.
Okay. So is my screen visible?
Yes, visible. But just a small, I think, what improvisation you have to do. Within your screen, I am also in the PIP.
Gone?
Yes, gone. Thank you.
Perfect. So then I will use this. Yes, this is better. हाँ, तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि I grew up in a small town, a small village in Assam, and बचपन से मैंने मेरे घर के चारों तरफ जब भी मैंने देखा है ना, मुझे बहुत सारा गैप्स नजर आए इन द सेंस कि सबके घर के साइड में बाउंड्रीज तो क्रिएट है ना. सो आई रियलाइज दैट वी हैड बॉर्डर, सब घर के पास बॉर्डर्स है. मैं कभी कभी आई यूज्ड टू आस्क माय पेरेंट्स दैट why all the houses have borders. अगर borders घर के बीच में नहीं होता तो how interesting it would have been to be able to play around, jump around. किसी के घर जाने के लिए घूम के जाना पड़ता है. किसी के घर में रियलाइज दैट किसी के घर में बॉर्डर के साथ साथ किसी के घर में प्राइवेट पानी का पंप था, राइट? तो किसी का घर थोड़ा एलिवेशन पे था. तो आई कुड सी अ लॉट ऑफ ऐसे ऐसे डिफरेंस लगते थे. तभी मैं आई यूज्ड टू आस्क माय पेरेंट्स दैट आई मीन why can't we have a water pump in our house? Why don't we have our private ponds? Or stuff like that. So फिर my father or my parents, they would sometime respond, sometime not respond, like any other curious child asking a lot of different kinds of questions. But फिर धीरे क्या हुआ, जब फ्लड आता था ना, तब मुझे एक चीज इंटरेस्टिंग दिखता था. यू नो वो है पानी. एंड पानी क्या करता था, automatically सारे spaces को water broke it. So the border that we had was gone now. The the flood would take away the borders. सारे घर के बीच में कोई borders नहीं, nothing, right? अब then we used to then पानी आ गया, then कहाँ जाओगे? Then आस पड़ोस में या तो हमारे घर के पास ही we have a like छोटू सा like elevated land area जहाँ पे एक स्कूल है, कुछ कॉलेजेस है वहाँ पे, है ना. तो वी यूज्ड टू गो टू दैट प्लेस. तो वहां पे हमने जब गए तब उस स्पेस में हम लोग वी यूज्ड टू फाइंड एन एलिवेटेड पीस ऑफ लैंड एंड गो देयर, राइट? तब वहां पे जो प्राइवेट पीस ऑफ जो लैंड, प्राइवेट जो हमारा जो पंप था ना, वो तो पानी में डूब जाता था. व्हाट वाज सीन एट दैट स्पेस वाज, इफ यू कैन सी दिस दिस this little thing, this little one, this is wait, let me show you with the sketch. Okay, so this little one, this is the common pump जो स्कूल के पास होता है बच्चों के पानी पीने के लिए, राइट? फिर that becomes a source of water for all of us, है ना. So अभी जो अभी प्राइवेट था, nothing is private now everything is जहाँ पे वहीं पे जो है is common now. जो बारिश का पानी आ रहा था वो हर कोई मिलके पीपल वुड यूज दैट वाटर. किसी के पास 2 बाल्टी पानी आ गया और किसी को 1 बाल्टी में नहीं मिला, तो पीपल वुड शेयर द बकेट ऑफ वाटर दैट दे गॉट फ्रॉम द रेन, राइट? सो देन आई यूज्ड टू थिंक ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, कि हम लोगों को सब खेलने मिल रहा है, एवरीवन इज हैप्पी. वी एज अ किड, आई मीन ऑल ऑफ अस आर स्टेइंग टुगेदर इन वन बिग क्लासरूम के अंदर. हम लोग ना ऐसे बड़े एक लंबे क्लासरूम के अंदर मच्छरदानी के हिसाब से रूम हो जाता. मतलब एक मच्छरदानी के अंदर हो गया, मतलब ये इनका फैमिली है, दैट वे. मतलब एक क्लासरूम के अंदर 8 10 15 फैमिलीज रह रहे हैं और पानी शेयर कर रहे हैं. खाना किसी को रिलीफ मिला, किसी को नहीं मिला, विल शेयर दिस रिलीफ फूड दैट वी गेट, है ना. सो ये तो काफी बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि हाउ कि हो क्या रहा है इस स्पेस में, वो तो काफी बाद में रियलाइज हुआ डेफिनेटली। पर तब तो बचपन में तो इट वाज वेरी एक्साइटिंग कि सब खेल रहे हैं, सब कूद रहे हैं, बट हाँ ठीक है ग्राउंड नहीं है, बट देन सुबह से लेके रात तक एक साथ सो रहे हैं दोस्तों के साथ, इससे मजा क्या हो सकता है?
For a time, yes.
या इससे मजा क्या हो सकता है ना? देन आई रियलाइज यू नो, उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे जब पानी जाएगा, तब तो हम देखा कि एक पानी का पंप started saving us all, bucket of water together save us all, है ना? लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे ये हमें ये नजर आया कि हम सब एक साथ दोस्त लोग मिलके खेल रहे हैं। हाँ, ऑल्दो पानी है, फ्लड है, जो भी है, बट देन लेट्स गेट वाटर आल्सो ब्रॉट अस टुगेदर, राइट? इट
Yes.
ब्रॉट अस
I
ऑल द
think
पीपल
that
टुगेदर।
disasters usually do that. Yes.
एग्जैक्टली, इट ब्रॉट अस टुगेदर, पानी एक तो इट हैज ब्रॉट अस टुगेदर, ऑल्सो द पानी जो हमारे पास मौजूद था पीने के लिए, दैट वाज आल्सो ब्रिंगिंग अस टुगेदर,
Hmm.
है ना? तो दैट इट स्टार्टेड रिड्यूसिंग द होल गैप। वो बाद में मुझे समझ में आया, तब तो कुछ समझ में नहीं। अभी मैं जब आई एम जस्ट गोइंग बैक एंड फोर्थ एंड स्टोरी को शेयर कर रहा हूँ, बाद में रियलाइज आया कि ये पानी सिर्फ डिजास्टर नहीं था, ये पानी सोल्यूशन भी था, और दैट वाज अ कॉमन वाटर जो सबका था, राइट? लेकिन फिर धीरे धीरे मैं एक दिन मैंने देखा कि वो जो पंप था ना, पानी का पंप, फ्लड चला गया, एवरीथिंग
Hmm.
वेंट, वो पानी का पंप, स्कूल भी खराब हो गया पानी का पंप, फिर उसको भी सबने केयर लेना बंद कर दिया, तो वो
Hmm.
धीरे धीरे वो पंप बर्बाद हो गया, है ना? तो
Hmm.
फिर हम स्कूल में जाते पानी पीने के लिए, स्कूल में नहीं है तो घर से पानी लेके जाते थे, तो प्रिंसिपल सर को कहते पानी ला दो, तो
Oh.
फिर वो अलग ही चक्कर है वहां पे। पानी का पंप खराब हो गया तो उसको ठीक करने के लिए फंडिंग नहीं आई, वो नहीं आई,
Hmm.
अलग अलग चीजें। बट देन अभी मुझे रियलाइज हुआ है कि ये चीज की खाली कॉमन जो पानी है हमारा, ये डजन ऐसा नहीं है कि पानी हमें सब दे देगा। कॉमन्स ऑल्सो नीड केयर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे,
Yes.
right? It is a solution, but then it also needs care, है ना?
Hmm.
then then I started to look at this picture together now that we had borders, it broke, the water broke the border. We had one source of water that saved all of us, the one source of water, right? And that one source of water also brought all of us together, removed rich poor, किसके घर में कितना बड़ा टीवी था, किसके फादर कहाँ पे काम करते थे, कौन इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन क्या है, nothing matters, right? Water also did that. उसी के साथ साथ बट देन आई आल्सो रियलाइज दैट कि कॉमन्स नीड केयर, कॉमन्स केयर की जरूरत है। अगर वो नरिशिंग स्पेस कंटिन्यू करना है तो कॉमन्स स्पेसेस को केयर की काफी जरूरत है। देन अभी मेरी रियलाइजेशन इतने साल काम करके और अलग अलग स्पेसेस एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, व्हाट आई रियलाइज राइट नाउ इज दैट कि फ्यूचर इज नॉट अबाउट द just water. Once the water is not the question, is that are we having relationship with the water, and how deeper relationship we are able to create with the water. तो मेरे, सो दिस इज व्हाट द होल पिक्चर इज। मेरे पूरे लाइक कहानी में, मेरे पूरे करियर एंड जर्नी में, some of these learnings of my early life around flood and landslide and other kind of disaster taught me about equity, taught me about systems. शब्द में अभी कह रहा हूँ मानसी की इक्विटी है, सिस्टम्स है, लेकिन उसको महसूस बचपन में कराया था मुझे। अभी हमें इसको वर्ड में डाल पा रहे, सिस्टम कह रहे, इक्विटी कह रहे, इंक्लूसिवनेस कह रहे,
Yes.
बट इन सब का रूट कहीं ना कहीं वहां से आता है। तो समवन सेड ब्यूटीफुली ना कि by the age of 7 or 8 years old, whatever the child experiences, the kind of life the child experiences, the kind of beauty, kind of dirty, whatever the child experiences, his or her understanding becomes like this eventually, right? So so that's how it shaped. I mean, फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे I grew up more, फिर हमारा एरिया थोड़ा सा वाटर लॉक होना कम हुआ, देन वी स्टार्टेड गोइंग आउट, फ्लड के टाइम पे रिलीफ कैंप्स की तरफ जाना, राइट? एंड फिर पानी जब आया, अभी मैं लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट करके, जब व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग अ लॉट ऑन रिलीफ कैंप्स के साथ, रिलीफ के साथ, राइट? तब रिलीफ के जब हम काम करते, तब मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले ये आता कि क्या मैं बच्चों के लिए आर्ट किट्स दे पा रहा हूँ कि नहीं दे पा रहा, because I want this kid also to draw while they're in the relief camps, right? And draw their imaginations out so that कल शायद इनमें से कोई बच्चे बड़ा होगा या बड़ी होगी तो घूम के देख पाएगी कि वो रिलीफ कैंप में मैंने क्या सीखा या क्या देखा, right? It becomes a living archive as well, right? So I started doing that कि बच्चों को relief camp में art kit मिलना ही चाहिए. Then we started distributing lots of art kits, thousands of art kits across relief camps, you know, during the flood season and stuff like that. So largely I can say that my art, my, you know, reality is a lot shaped by some of the experiences around commons and water. So that's my, you know, Chotu's story around, you know, how my journey was shaped with water.
Interesting. Very interesting, because I also grew up in Kolkata, and I mean, I have a very faint memory of being islanded with water all around, and then, mama and all padosi who live quite far, because, in villages we have houses quite far from each other. And then they making these rafts, sitting in the veranda, then rafts are used to be made and then going here and there. But you made a very interesting observation, and now you can reflect back and give them vocabulary, either through art or even through words, that we have these borders, and then we have a private water system. And then when the flood comes, it brings an opportunity to realize the commons, or also have a social capital, or we realize our social capital. Now, in your recent works, I have been noticing you are also working with commons in other areas as well, as we spoke about FES, Foundation for Ecological Security.
Yes.
Actually, I saw your artwork there itself. Would you like to highlight some of your works which you have taken up professionally also, and how your artwork is really taken up by the common people out there? How do they see the role of artwork? Because even please don't mind if it finds maybe I don't have the right vocabulary, but like mind mapping itself is a tool that is used in research. And many a times it is used amongst community to make them draw things, and they love that. They are making these. I remember it during my masters, I made them draw. I had it in lakes, and I asked them to draw their village. So the first thing the villagers drew was making a shape of the lake. It was just kacha shape, hai na? And then this is the talab. So that was typically everybody drew the talab as first thing. That is in Ahmedabad, by the way, and the villagers who lived by the talab. Then there will be a road, and then they will get into those details of which they cannot handle. And then they will try to show which is the lane that takes to their house and where is the temple. So there is a Thaltesh Devi temple. So I'm just trying to link it, how communities expression of a space. I see that the way your artwork is resembles very much as a common and community's artwork. So even if you are artist, that's why I said, please don't mind. But it seems like, it's like as a common person who is just drawing his or her heart, not art, but art. What do communities feel when you are with them and you're making some artwork?
So, I mean, this is an interesting question, that, how do community feel when I draw for them, when I draw with them? You might have seen some of my LinkedIn videos.
Yes.
Where I randomly sit with my, maybe there's a sketchbook. Yeah. So no, this is Smith.
I have seen you drawing even sitting. I mean, not seen, but because I have been reading about you when I have to have this session. That even you have drawn people while sitting in front of them, and then, having some very interesting notes on them. So I'm just curious in both situations, and you made a good observation to make a distinction, drawing with them and drawing for them.
For them, yeah. So one is that when I draw, so I have this interesting thing. Whenever I travel anywhere, मैं कहीं notice पे कहीं corner में घूम रहा हूँ, कहीं पे जा रहा हूँ, then I take my drawing book, and I make quick. Sorry.
Yes.
I make quick sketch like this. And then I randomly give it to them. ये आपके लिए बनाया है मैंने. And then क्या होता है उसके बाद ना, बहुत कहानियां आती है उसके बाद. I remember I was sitting with a man, somewhere in Goa. So
हाँ
वो भी एक तालाब के पास बैठे थे. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. सो
हाँ
तालाब के पास बैठे थे, तो तालाब तो था, उसके साइड में फिर बीच भी दिखाई दे रहा था, समुद्र भी दिखाई दे रहा था. वो
हम्म,
भी बैठे थे, तो आई वाज आल्सो देयर. सो I was sitting and I was sitting and I made a sketch of him and I gave it to him and he loved it. He was like, "Wow, ये बढ़िया हो गया." And then he
हाँ
started having conversation that how uh, many years ago he was like, बहुत साल पहले he just I don't know whether true or false कहानी उनका, but उन्होंने कहा कि बहुत साल पहले मैं जब जवान था तब मुझे एक बुल्गेरियन लड़की से प्यार हो गया था. तो इसी जगह में मैंने उसको गुड बाय बोला था. उसको एक प्रॉमिस किया था कि मरते दम तक, तब तक मेरी सांसें हैं, मैं हर रोज शाम को यहाँ आके बैठूंगा मैं, है ना. एंड मैं आके बैठता हूँ यहाँ पे. दैट्स व्हाट ही सेड. है ना. बट आई देन आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट कि इस तालाब के साथ क्या है वगैरह वगैरह. यहाँ पे क्यों बैठते, यू कुड गॉन टू द अदर बीच टू सिट, राइट. नहीं नहीं, हम लोग इस तालाब में वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. यहाँ पे हमने बहुत यादें करी इस तालाब में. वी यूज्ड टू कम विद ऑल आवर फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर एंड just to sit here, chill in the near the water and everything. फिर कहानी आती है कि आप तब तालाब भी तो अभी तो अच्छा है, बूढ़ा गंदा है, क्या लग रहा है, क्या हो रहा है आपको. देन ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट कि क्या हो रहा है गोवा में सीन, तालाब के साथ क्या है. यू सी, जस्ट वन सिंगल पीस ऑफ आर्ट दैट आई गिव इट टू हिम resulted in so many different conversations,
हम्म,
right. And I do share in LinkedIn sometimes that I shared this snippets of stories that I make sketch and ask people to share the stories. And फिर काफी ज्यादा वो होता था. I think I'm blessed also. It's fun as well. आप किसी के साथ बहुत लोगों को पसंद है कि कोई इसका स्केच बनाए, एंड अच्छा हो,
हाँ
बुरा हो, फनी हो, बट पीपल फील इम्पोर्टेंट,
एब्सोल्युटली.
है ना. एंड देन फिर आप अगर कुछ क्रिटिकल सा पूछो सवाल आपके लाइफ के बारे में, जिंदगी के बारे में, देन पीपल आर ओपन टू आंसर दैट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या, सो नाउ अभी कुछ लोगों को कॉन्फ्रेंस में लगा कि यार ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, इंद्रित को बुला कॉन्फ्रेंस में करने के लिए.
हाँ,
he
बट इट्स अ
can
गुड
he can
आइडिया.
he can bring nuances from the people and tensions from the people की कॉन्फ्रेंस के पीछे क्या चल रहा है. इंद्रित को
हाँ
बुलाओ, he can sit and talk to these people to understand nuances क्या हो रहा है. So I these days I work with a lot of organizations in both गांव में जाके उनकी कहानियां रिकॉर्ड करना, whether it is चिल्का लेक के पास जाके आईटी, इंडिजिनियस नॉलेज ट्रांसफर इन टर्म्स ऑफ पानी को लेके कैसे कैसे नॉलेज ट्रांसफर हुए और क्या क्या लॉस्ट हो रहा है. इधर वो गांव में जाके कर रहे हैं वहां पे एक पार्टिसिपेट अप्रोच के साथ, या फिर एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में जहाँ पे हम एक्सपर्ट पैनलिस्ट बैठे हैं उनके साथ इसी मॉडल के साथ बात करें, उन्हीं के साथ बात करें कि थोड़ा हमें बताइए कि टेंशन क्या चल रहा है सर आपके रिसर्च के साथ वगैरह वगैरह. सो आई थिंक आई एम लविंग दिस फन.
No, I can completely relate with it. I'm just curious because you have a range of I will say stakeholders whom with you can interact, from common people to experts to serious people. And art is something which makes everybody soften, and it is kind of a very powerful tool, just like water,
Yeah,
which can break the hardest of things,
yeah.
yet being the softest as a material, as a tool. So
Mm.
I see art, the role of artwork is like that. So
Yeah.
when you are exercising it for, let's say, professional work and all, I mean, how do artists, and I know that you don't like to be called yourself. I am not a cartoonist or artist, you wrote
No,
somewhere,
I'm, yeah.
and a thinker, but I'm still focusing on this question that because I see the role as a connector,
Mm.
as I was mentioning when we had a brief meeting before, there are a lot of things people wish to express. And
Mm.
either we have the voice or the words, and not many people are blessed
Mm.
express in something which is very, lively.
Mm.
And film is one part, I see dance as one part,
Sure,
songs as one medium,
sure.
likewise animation as one medium, sketching as a medium. I mean, how do you see the strength of the medium you choose? And I see much of the time it's also something which is live in your case.
Mm.
It's like not doing a background at the studio and coming back. I mean, correct me if I am not wrong, but my question is more on the live side right now. How do
Mm.
you see that this kind of powerful tool can really be useful to address grave issues like the water which we are facing today. I mean, you
Hmm.
yourself grew in a grave situation of water
Hmm.
crisis, if flood. But as a child, maybe you didn't realize it. But now
Hmm.
we are reflecting and you are aware of what the kind of water crisis we are having.
Hmm.
Do you think we have, as a society, intellectually, have we arrived to a state where we can take in artwork in a serious conversation like water crisis? Where do we
Oh my
stand?
God. Oh my God, you just nailed it.
Oh, I have very tough questions all the time, and that's why I'm sitting here.
Lovely,
Because see,
lovely.
the idea of these conversations are to really look at things
Yeah,
in a way that people see a scope out of it. I mean, I would
exactly.
like to see what is the scope of this kind of
Sure,
interesting work, and I see a serious scope. You look
sure,
back into history, all reforms, most of the reforms, social
sure,
reforms are through art forms.
sure. So I would like I haven't shared this in a lot of forums, but
Hmm.
because you asked this question, so I would like to share that. So it's for quite some time. So I have been training people on visual thinking and this kind of stuff
Nice.
to students and to social workers, and I've done some trainings in India, some done some trainings in Hungary, Spain,
Hmm.
Austria,
Hmm.
वहाँ पे भी. So as a discipline, I have been training to कराया है, like teaching people how to tell their stories quickly and
Hmm.
कैसे visually think करके produce करना है through the artwork. But if you are not even an artist, right? So
Hmm.
someone said a beautiful line. One of my mentor, he said, if you can hold a pencil, I can teach you how to draw. Right? It is
Ah.
as simple as that. So तो उस pedagogy के साथ तो मैंने काफी ट्रेनिंग विनिंग कराई. तो अभी एक
Ah.
आई एम ऑल्सो working at the same time. Another pedagogy is
Ah.
called what I call is that social sketching, right?
Yes,
Which is
social sketching. I was looking for this word. Nice. Huh?
है ना social sketching जो social nuances को पकड़े. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि social sketching as a tool which I am like currently building on as a practice is that how as a tool we can hold the nuances in the table, right? And look beyond the thing. अगर आइसबर्ग के हिसाब से देखें फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट, तो सोशल स्केचिंग क्या हो सकता है कि समाज के ऊपर जो हो रहा है उस पर कुछ का टूल लग रहा है, but then deeper there are other so many layers are there. So I'm currently working on that in that tool as well. But coming back the same time with the tool, the reason I'm also developing this tool also to help people realize that it is way more complicated as it simply sounds, है ना? And then which needs equal amount of attention, because 1/3 of our human brain is for visual images and memories. And I tell to people,
Absolutely. I mean, your little sketches in the beginning were
yeah,
so powerful and expressive. You
and
don't need many words.
yeah, and I tell people that if you cannot visualize something, you cannot understand it. It is beyond impossible. There is not the how the brain is wired. Our brains are wired in the sense हर एक वर्ड का एक विजुअल इमेज है, एक लाइब्रेरी है यहाँ पे ना,
Absolutely. We imagine through the
इमेजेस.
visuals, huh?
यस,
Huh.
हाँ, है ना? तो हर जो भी हम मुंह से बात कर रहे हैं ना, हर एक बात का एक इमेज है, और हर एक इमेज 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 बन के ना दिमाग में सेंटेंस बन रहा है.
Then there's a story. Hmm.
दिमाग डजंट नो अल्फाबेट्स, दिमाग नोज इमेजेस,
Hmm.
राइट? सो
Okay.
सो दैट वे इट इज. अगर वो बेस है हमारा, तो हम आगे क्यों ना देखें उसको और इमेजिफाई क्यों ना करें हमारे चीजों को, right? Again, some people say that when I cannot draw, like you said, a lot of people say I cannot draw, but then I say that
I
no,
was going to ask that question. Visually तो
yeah,
imagine कर रहे हैं, but putting
हाँ,
those visuals
हाँ.
and a lot of
उसमें
people feel limitation, huh?
उसमें दो चीज होता है. उसमें पहला
हाँ.
एक चीज ये है कि हमने वो देखा ना, हमने अर्ली मैन की केव्स में पेंटिंग देखे थे ना,
Hmm.
उस पेंटिंग का टीचर, उसका मास्टर कौन था?
हाँ.
बट उस सवाल के साथ उस पेंटिंग को देखकर समझ पा रहे हैं ना, आज डिकोड कर पा रहे हैं कि वहां पे उस टाइम पे ऐसे मारा होगा, ऐसे वो क्या होगा, राइट?
This was the life, huh? This
Exactly.
was.
So now when you look at the painting, these paintings are nowhere close to an human beings. But we
Hmm.
can understand what this painting is telling. So that is what the sense is all about. कि
Hmm.
पेंटिंग हमें लगता है ब्यूटीफुल, बचपन से वही सिखाया गया है ना कि अगर सुंदर नहीं है तो अच्छा नहीं है. art is beauty. That's what people have taught. But we need to change the understanding. Art is not just beauty. Art is also disruption. Art is not decoration. It's also disruption, right? So that is, and disruption होने के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि सुंदर लग रहा है. आइडिया है कि आइडिया समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं. And that is what आपने कहा ना कि
It is to communicate.
एग्जैक्टली एंड दैट वाज द बेस रीजन था हमारा. एंड आप कह रहे हो ना कि दुनिया भर के सारे रिवोल्यूशंस और इनोवेशंस थ्रू आर्ट के हिसाब से हुआ है ना. तो वही केस है. तो हमें उसको टाइम आया है कि इसको री इन्वेंट करे उस डेफिनेशंस को. एक और कुछ दिन पहले वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड वाज शेयरिंग दैट he says that I want to talk some of my stuff in LinkedIn, but then he was not able to. फिर हम लोग फिर उस चीज को हमने एक चीज बना. We call it this. Right. Fear of saying wrong things, or the pressure of making sense. Right?
Okay.
Fear of saying wrong things or the pressure of making sense. So this is also something which I think that a lot of people stops in using any of these tools. They think I have to always make sense. I mean, that's if one thinks I have to always make sense, and फिर जाके pencil
It has to be beautiful. It has to be good
artwork. No. The idea is to communicate. I mean, making sense वो तो अगले बंदे का काम है कि make sense करेगा, है ना. Like beautiful line said by सदन मंटो कि मैं काले दीवार पर सफेद रंग इसलिए चढ़ाता हूँ कि काला रंग और भी नुमाया हो जाए. मतलब the black becomes more darker, so I put a white line on this. That's it. My role is not to show always the mirror. My role is to just put the color. I just put a white color. Now the blackboard is becoming more darker. So
interesting. So I'm just curious now to take back that question on water commons and water crisis put together. And when you are working, let's say, with the community, with them, or maybe even at the background, what kind of apathy now you see from your childhood to today? Have things changed? And also, if things have changed, I'm sure it has also changed your way of looking at the world and of having traveled all over and conveyed. How do you think people can really take different art forms to express something which happened in the past? And if they have to express something for today, do you have room for that kind of, and how will you express? And do people also draw with you, or do they try to express when you are working with them? Like, they'll take your pen. No, something is here. You missed something here. You missed something there. There was something in there. Do they engage with you when you are with them?
Yeah, absolutely. When I do this, my processes when I'm working with any organization, अगर वो depend होता है कि मैं senior level staff के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ या फिर grassroots communities के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, it is always participatory in nature. अगर मैं I sometimes give, like most of the time, give them my art book and tell that कि मैंने तो ये बना, आपको क्या लगता है इसमें कर दीजिए, right? So people do इधर उधर का वो चीज हटा के. There are some other tools are also there which I use. I mean, I also sometimes use small paper cuttings and everything, and then ask people कि आप मैंने तो फेंक दिया ग्राफ में, अभी आप प्लेसमेंट करिए, वो सब करिए अलग अलग. So there are some tools which I use also, but idea is that कि definitely idea is कि सब लोग जुड़े उसमें. अगर फिर थोड़ा नहीं तो फिर मेरा थोड़ा सा बायसनेस आ जाता है फिर.
You will have your own lens of looking. But then when you have these kind of meetings, I assume it's an advanced way. I mean, I may use the word from research method, like focus group discussions where people are sitting together and they're discussing a matter, and probably like sometimes we have map of the place, and some people are drawing well here, some are drawing something there. How does this community art making or concern, I think that, I mean, let's not use the word art making, but they are trying to express something through not words, but something which is graphical. How does that work as a community collective work? So, or how do you maneuver or mentor?
So if I'm understanding your question, is that you were saying that while people are having group discussions, and in the group they are using the tool art के साथ group discuss कर रहे हैं?
Are they using tool? If so, how does that work? Do you mentor them, or they are drawing, Or, I mean, do you have this kind of situations when people are discussing and they are making these kind of, maps or
Yeah.
graphically showing?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I know, we have a tendency when we have meetings, where people are scribbling on
Mm.
their notebook or
Yeah.
on the text itself, and they try to draw, you
Mm.
know. I'm using the word draw, but they're actually
Mm.
trying to say something through those drawings. So
Yeah.
do you have those meetings and all, and how community in a group engages in that sense? Or do you make them engage in certain way, facilitate? I mean,
Yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
trying to understand community artwork कैसे बनेगा.
नहीं, वो तो डेफिनेटली अलग अलग प्रोसेस इस्तेमाल होता है उनके
हाँ,
साथ
so
जब हम
just
काम
an
कर रहे हैं।
example, हाँ, with an example.
एक एग्जांपल ये भी है कि मैं लेट्स से आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक अ स्टेक होल्डर मैप।
हाँ,
हम लोग बैठे, अलग अलग तरीके के लोग बैठे, हम आप लोग एक स्टेक होल्डर मैप बना रहे हैं, राइट? एंड आई एम द इफ आई एम द फैसिलिटेटर, हाउ आई वुड डू, एंड हाउ अदर फैसिलिटेटर्स आर देयर, दे हैव अ डिफरेंट अप्रोच टू डू अ स्टेक होल्डर्स मैप। सो आई वाज डूइंग द स्टेक होल्डर मैप विद सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो वहां पे अलग अलग कम्युनिटी के लोग भी बैठे थे वहां पे फैसिलिटेटर भी था, वहां पे फंडर भी थे, वहां पे स्पेस डिजाइनर्स भी थे, एक्सपीरियंशियल डिजाइनर्स वो लोग भी थे, एंड कम्युनिटी के मेंबर्स भी थे ज्यादा करके, एंड टुगेदर दे वर डूइंग सम प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर, दे वर मैपिंग द होल प्रोजेक्ट, एंड दे आस्क्ड मी, इंद्रित आप आइए, यू लिसन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड यू do the map for them and stuff like that, right? So I mean, the way we did that thing was we gave them, सबको अपने अपने अलग अलग चिट्स के हिसाब से हमने दिया था। हम लोग पहले तो मैंने कहा कि वी मेड अलग अलग सर्कल्स में बनाया, कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स में, और वो सर्कल्स में कौन कहाँ पे क्या बैठा है, यू जस्ट ड्रॉ इट टुगेदर, एंड यू आर also while you're like putting your pieces of artwork जो भी है, then we gave them hints around, write about your personal challenges, your personal histories, personal ये personal वो, अलग अलग चीजें। उसके बाद जब वो, and that is how people engage with the little drawings, अपने बचपन की चीजें
हाँ,
इधर उधर, then facilitator for sometimes felt कि इधर पागल हो गया कि हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे कुछ वुमेन सेफ्टी के ऊपर, स्टेक होल्डर्स के, ये पूछ रहा है कि बचपन में क्या हो गया बताइए।
हाँ,
So interestingly, what came out from the whole map is, wish I could show you this map, but the funders के साथ वो नहीं है. But what came out in this whole stakeholder mapping was, हम एक stakeholder mapping में मानसी क्या देखते हैं कि फंडर है, हमारे पास participating member organizations है, हमारे पास ये है facilitators है, designers है, coordinators है, सरकारी कुछ stakeholders है, तो उसे हमने फिर हमने कहा इसमें एज भी है, इसमें जेंडर भी है, इसमें
हाँ,
काम के एक्सपीरियंसेस भी है, इसमें स्कूल्स भी है, इस तरह से स्कूल से आए हो मेंबर सारे, इसमें ये जैसे जैसे ट्रॉमा हिस्ट्री फॉर एग्जांपल, एंड दिस इज समथिंग रियली रियली लाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग, लेफ्ट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मार्क। तो वहां पे जब कुछ लिख रहे थे लोग, सो पीपल रोट अबाउट दैट, हाउ दे फेल्ट रियली, people think this person is rude. He wrote, people think I'm rude, but when I'm not, either I have seen so much of disasters and conflict in my life, मैं अभी बोलता थोड़ा रूड में हूँ, थोड़ा सा खटासपन आ गया मेरे वॉइसेस पे, so people think I speak rude. I'm like, you are a part of the stakeholder, and your this voice counts in the larger meeting, because tomorrow you will shape how this entire conversation is going. You have studied in the Saint Stephen's in Delhi, and you have studied in Kachar College in Silchar, and sitting together, boss, you have two different mindset and exposure and understandings, and आप दोनों मिलके जब, हाई चांसेस है कि बेस्ट ऑफ स्कूल में दिल्ली में पढ़ा हुआ है, बैंगलोर पढ़ा हुआ, वो इस काचर वाले को शायद थोड़ा सा वो कर दे, ओवर पावर कर दे विद द साउंड्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड नॉलेज, राइट? जो स्टैनफोर्ड से आया वो भी बैठा है वहां पे। So, but then when you started bringing this from their understanding the table, the stakeholders map, अब जो मैप निकल के आया, then I said to the funder कि आपका मैप अभी ये दिख रहा है, आपका मैप खाली ये लोग नहीं है, इनके एक्सपीरियंस, इनके जेंडर, इनके अलग तरीके की चीजें हैं। Now it's a challenge for the designer, experiential designer, to design something which can go close to, सबको तो वो नहीं कर सकते, but can go at least closer, Now the question is, ये आया कैसे वहां से? ये तो collective responses थे लोगों के, बट वो सवाल और थोड़ा सा टूल को ट्विक करना was critical to the whole space, I feel, if I could answer that, how people
Yeah,
go.
I mean, I'm curious. The more you answer, I get more curious actually, because I'm just trying to understand what kind of professional engagement, because as I said, have we come of age when these kind of artwork will be part of serious discourse, which I would like to or wish to, although I don't know to draw the way you, but I think we all have this scribbling habit.
Mm.
And something which really struck me about your artwork is when I looked at it, oh, I can also do it.
Yeah.
But it's so common person artwork that one can dare or at least try, you know.
Yes.
And I
Yes.
feel that we have these serious discussions and all. I wish all our serious reports and all have this binding form or tool where a lot of things without words can be expressed.
Yes.
And I think and it can also become kind of you use the word disruptor. I would like to use the word connector.
Mm-hmm.
uh, to bring different ideas in a very simple way. I mean,
Mm.
maybe in that group, as you were mentioning, I would like to know from your own experience in some professional work where people have come together and you have facilitated or there were more facilitators, and they have come out with some kind of map or some drawing or sketch, whatever word
Yeah.
can be, that
Yeah.
expresses their concern or their demand, or and that has been discussed on the drawing board or drawing sheet, everything put
Mm.
together. I still remember doing some methods. These are research methods again, when people
Mm.
are given this sheet and everybody is pouring their heart out on the sheet. Some people are
Mm.
drawing, some people are writing, some people have run out of scale. They
Yeah.
don't have a sense of scale. The river became too fat and the house became, no, the river became too small and the house becomes too big. Uh,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just trying to understand from you, when a community, let's say a village community comes, probably they can make a collective artwork. Here is a village, here is this and that. But when you have these professional meetings or get-togethers, and people are making sense out of it, first of all, I'm curious, why would they will have you? And that's where my earlier question was, have we come of age to accept it? But then if, let's say, you are there, because I know you are there in many of these
Mm.
meetings, how it is consumed, how this artwork is consumed by professionals, and in a mainstream discourses. I mean, it may not be water in, because you do things beyond water as well as a thinker.
Mm.
But what do you see? Where is the room for such artwork in serious discourses?
So मैं एक simple example है TOC का हमारा है ना, हम सारे
Hmm.
organize we wants to build our own TOCs, right?
Hmm.
Or let's say creating program strategy documents and everything,
Hmm.
right? अब जब because हम अभी you say you started the whole thing with FES on board, and
Huh.
and Subrat is texting me behind, Kindrajit, this is nice, and so he's also sending me comments behind in WhatsApp while
Huh.
we are talking right now. So
Hmm.
he's also here listening to the conversation, so he will also agree to
Hmm.
this as a process. So मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है? I want to
Hmm.
show you something quickly.
Hmm.
Photos में जाके not this screen. Okay. So we were like doing this one with. Can you see the screen of mine?
Yes, yes, it's visible. Huh,
हाँ.
something
So
very
ये
interesting. Huh.
ये हमारा एक हम लोगों ने ये खाना है.
Khana also looks like that. Very interesting.
So
Hmm.
so ये हम लोगों ना ये we were doing this work. Okay.
Hmm.
ये मैं इसको ब्रांड कर देता हूँ. ब्रांड कैसे
This is
बनेगा?
a regular thing that we do usually,
Correct.
as a focus group. Yes.
हाँ तो
But
ये
then,
हमने so
it
we
looks very boring sometimes because no one is
correct.
expressing. Yes.
Correct. So it's a group discussion where we are figuring it out कि हमारा जेंडर टीओ से हम कैसे बनाए. FES के साथ
हाँ.
मिलकर काम कर रहे थे हम लोग, है ना? So हम लोगों ने इसको ये अलग अलग थ्रेड जो है, ऑल पीपल्स कॉन्वर्सेशन के बीच में निकल के आया कि ऐसा
Hmm.
हो सकता है, वैसा हो
Hmm.
सकता है. उसी कॉन्वर्सेशन के टाइम पे विजुअली वी क्रिएटेड, फॉर एग्जांपल उनके से,
हाँ
ओके या फॉर एग्जांपल दिस मॉडल, राइट? फिर ये एक
हाँ
मॉडल आया निकल के, क्या ऐसा एक मॉडल हो सकता है जहां पे
हाँ
हम लोग इसको देख पाए एज ए
हाँ
लाइक टीओसी, एज ए टीओसी के हम लोग इसे
हाँ
देख
हाँ
पाएंगे कि ये क्या इसके तरह साउंड कर सकता है, एक ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की तरह साउंड कर सकता है
हाँ
क्या, राइट? बिकॉज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज आल्सो लाइक एक प्रोसेस शुरू से लेके एंड तक, राइट? सो नाउ दिस स्टोरी देयर इज कमिंग आउट, राइट? ये ये डायग्राम में कुछ था, यहाँ पे कुछ स्टोरी निकल के आई बातों बातों में, राइट?
हाँ
एंड यू सी दिस ए वेरी सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन, 5 6 साल 10 साल के लिए स्ट्रेटेजी है, टीओसी का बन रहा है राइट? जो अक्रॉस स्टेट्स में काम होगा उसके ऊपर, राइट? फिर अलग अलग हमने उसको अलग अलग लेवल्स में हम लोगों ने उसको देखने की कोशिश करी क्या हो सकता है। नाउ आई विल शो यू द फाइनल आउटकम, ये क्या निकल के आया फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दिस। कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन?
yes, it is visible. I am.
परफेक्ट। सो ये निकल के आया फाइनल, एक टीओसी में हमने एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बना दिया,
Okay,
राइट?
interesting. हाँ
एंड ये तो प्लेन है, फिर हम लोगों ने वी टुक डीपर, हम लोगों ने इसको फिर ना ये बना, लेट्स गो डीप, लेट्स प्ले अराउंड इट
wow.
कंप्लीटली, राइट? सो नाउ दिस इज द टीओसी
Hmm.
राइट?
So
या
that was the basic schema, probably skeleton, the earlier which you had on the table.
हाँ, that was a skeleton exactly, and but
Hmm.
the skeleton was a piece of art at the same time, है ना? अलग
Hmm.
अलग तरह से देख पा रहे थे। फिर आके ये आके तैयार हुआ, बट इसमें इस टीओसी में कहानी है हमारे पास,
Hmm.
राइट?
So
एक
each
कहानी
one,
है,
each of those pieces have a story.
yes, so like barren opportunities, short term, mid term, long terms, and vision, right? So there are 5 parts are anyway in this whole musical instrument, right? So फिर we dig deeper, हर पार्ट का क्या बैरियर है, अलग अलग से बैरियर के साथ क्या चल रहा है हमारा, राइट? वुमेन इन फॉरेस्ट राइट्स एंड गवर्नेंस के ऊपर क्या चल रहा है, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग पे क्या बातें करनी चाहिए, होनी चाहिए, है ना? फिर हमारा फिर इकोनॉमिक, सो ये बेसिकली ये जो एक पूरा का पूरा जो एक निकल के आया ना ये वाला, this I would say that this was a definitely very serious piece of work, but then
Absolutely.
the instigator started with definitely the organization do have a value understanding कि हम लोग थोड़ा अलग कैसे सोच सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा अलग कैसे टेबल के बाहर निकल के देख सकते हैं, सो वो तो साथ में आता ही है, बट देन दिस जस्ट एन एग्जांपल आई गिव, बट देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल्स वेयर आई हैव डिजाइन्ड TOCs, 10 साल का स्ट्रेटेजी इन वन सिंगल डायग्राम, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्टेक होल्डर्स मैप जो बता रहा था मैं, है ना? वो सब भी एक सिंपल तरीके से एक पेज में लेकर आ गया। बट इसमें ये जब करता हूं तो आई नेवर से दैट इट इज अ रिप्लेसमेंट टू द डिटेलनेस।
Absolutely.
This
It
is,
has to complement, yes.
yeah, this is the phase, and then we dig deep into each of the stages, and then we can each stage with someone to dig deep, one can read.
Hello. Did I lose the connection? Hello.
Oh, am I lost? Yeah.
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 Now you're back. Yes. Please.
Yeah. So वो चीज है basically, it definitely can be done, but yeah.
So I'm just curious. I should have asked this question in the beginning. How did you actually get into? I mean, from uh, your especially your professional work as a thinker and doer, to have this additional, I will say skill sets, and also now I see that it is also your one of the main profession to do them. And you want to differentiate between being an artist or a cartoonist and things like that. I'm just curious, but I should have asked this question in the beginning. Don't you think that this is an additional skill sets which definitely is a blessing? I think to do serious work. I wish every report has some bit of this softness so that people are attracted also, but also graphics and animations are way too communicating and engaging as compared to words, because of the very reason that our cognitions have more acceptance to visuals. So in your case, when did you realize that these visuals may be a strong tool for your professional activities or work?
So for more than 10 years, I was heading my own organization in Guwahati, right, which works on child rights, gender issues, and youth leadership, youth volunteerism, in active citizenship largely. इस मुद्दे के ऊपर हम लोग पिछले 10-12 साल से
हाँ,
मैं काम कर रहा था नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, आसाम, नागालैंड, मेघालय पे. I mean, while the work was happening also, I mean, because I was always a visual thinker. मैं अपने deck पे मेरे उसे होते थे. Then I mean, I think after 10 years, I realized that uh, I need to do something more exciting and interesting and not stick to one domain and do one kind of a walk, which I was doing for 10 years. Then I realized that one way I can put myself out there in the space and expect and work with a lot of different interesting organizations who are doing equally interesting work. और सीखने मिलेगा बहुत ज्यादा, है ना. सो लाइक आई से दैट अभी मैं आपसे वाटर कॉमन्स की बात कर रहा हूँ. अभी मैं जब व्हेन आई गो टू इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है, वो भी एडिबल ऑयल्स के ऊपर, तो मैं वहां पे बैठ के एडिबल ऑयल्स के बारे में सुन रहा हूँ, वहां पे बैठ के मैं पाम ऑयल के बारे में सुन रहा हूँ, वहां पे वो बैठ के मैं जो पाम ऑयल के बिग सीईओ से जो मल्टी कंट्री मल्टीलेटरल ट्रेड संभाल रहे हैं, वो भी अपनी बातें रख रहे हैं टेबल पे, राइट, कि हमारे देखने का नजरिया ये है ना. आई ऑल्सो अगेन आई वर्क विद पीपल हु वर इम्पैक्टेड बाय पाम ऑयल फॉर एग्जांपल. सो फिर मुझे उस क्रॉस रोड में बैठ के मजा आ रहा है, इन द सेंस कि आई एम गेट टू हियर सो मेनी डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स and not just one perspective, and that is what I was looking for, that that I can learn a lot of different stuff, and at the same time art is something which बचपन से मैं कर ही रहा था. art मैंने कभी नहीं छोड़ा, never left it. But then I also felt that कि इसको तो और थोड़ा सा deep as a practice build करने की भी जरूरत है ना, ताकि जिंदगी का थोड़ा सा और मजा आए. प्रैक्टिस बिल्ड करने के लिए we need a lot of different kinds of work and research and अलग अलग तरीके की चीजें. अभी वो तो दिमाग में है कि eventually how do I also get into academic spaces and write for academic papers इसके ऊपर, social sketching के ऊपर, right, and stuff like that. So I felt कि ये कहीं ना कहीं वो सारे चीजों के रूट के साथ हो रहा है. I'm still exploring largely.
Interesting. I would like to take you back to conversation on water commons here, because you are working there, and just to get to understand what is your now understanding of water commons as a professional vis-a-vis. I mean, of course, you have beautifully explained your childhood and how it reflected, but now when you're working professionally, where do you see as a water commons we stand, and what's your experience about working in this field?
मुझे ये लग रहा है कि I mean we are not realizing or taking seriously the water common का जो space है, we are not taking it too seriously the way we should be. Like I said, I mean it is more of a relationships.
Yes.
And it's a more of a relationship. It needs a lot of care and attention जो हम लोग नहीं कर पा रहे, whether in urban spaces बोलो, whether in rural spaces में भी बोलो, हम उसको नहीं कर पा रहे उसको, मतलब it needs the kind of attention it needs. It is not yet coming in this space. And I also feel that कि people need to understand that it is बस ये पीने का पानी नहीं है,
हाँ.
yes, ये पीने का पानी नहीं है, it is way more than that. और ये किसी का पर्सनल पानी भी नहीं है ना, आपका मेरा पानी नहीं है वो so I think that is something I feel that people are not realizing. People, and if people are realizing also, वो अभी भी उस तरह से हम उसको एम्पलीफाई नहीं कर पा रहे, राइट. उसका एम्पलीफिकेशन भी बहुत सारा मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत हद तक वो घूम फिर के एकेडमिक स्पेस में ही घूम रहा है अभी भी बहुत ज्यादा. वो अभी
It
भी
gets very serious, huh? And that is where I'm
Absolutely.
curious how these kind of I will say tools. I will not use the word artwork now. How these kind of tools can be really interwoven into the serious discourse of water. What is the relevance of this? I mean, that is where I'm always keen to interact with people like you to understand where can we find relevance. And the thing is, uh, we have to engage people in the water discussion or water activities.
Yeah.
We need to find out a way, because we are not short of science, we are not short of technology, we are also not short of water. What we are short of is people's engagement for conversation, people's engagement for conservation as well.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what kind of incentive or tool or that can trigger that people sit together and discuss. I think if we can sit together and work, which is like Elinor Ostrom's collective action, which FES heavily invests upon, how to bring people together and have a discussion, game theory, and
Yeah.
all. And I'm constantly, whenever I'm talking to people like you, I say that alternate professionals who are probably not writing the serious articles, which are equally important, but what can they really contribute to the mainstream discourse of water problem, or even appreciating water for that matter? We don't have to look at water all the time from the problem side or crisis side, but the
Yeah.
fact that we have a spiritual connect. I mean, the way you also showed the house and how you were feeling in the childhood, and what really brought joy when friends could play together. I see a spiritual side also with water. Even the good side of water needs a serious discussion amongst us.
Mm.
Where do
Mm.
you see this kind of tool or technique or artwork can really have a instrumental role in serious discussions? I mean, even it can be futuristic if we have not arrived there. I see, for me, the meeting all of you is all about this question. Where can we
Mm.
find and interweave this so that the serious discussions can be taken seriously? Because only when people engage, only when people are attracted to it. How do we
Mm.
make this conversation, or how do we make this concern attractive so that people sit?
Mm. इसमें
पहले बुलाना पड़ेगा ना मीटिंग में,
करेक्ट
दैट इज द थिंग.
करेक्ट 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 इसके लिए मुझे दो तीन चीज दिखता है मुझे अगेन
जी.
कमिंग कमिंग फ्रॉम अपने कम्युनिकेशन एंगल से कि वाटर मतलब कोई भी मुद्दा हम एक लेंस के साथ देख ही नहीं सकते कि एक लेंस के साथ बेच नहीं सकते एक लेंस के साथ हम लोग उसको एक्सपांड भी नहीं कर सकते यू नो अभी मैं अगर कह दूं कि लेट्स से आई वाज डूइंग दिस I was oops sorry
I think you have a background, that's why the visual is
I don't
not.
know yeah I don't know
No, if you remove your background, then we will see it.
how do I do that?
You can do none on the video. You have blur my background and adjust background effects. So if you do
Background
the
effect,
adjust
yes
background and do none,
little
yes,
bit
now we can
okay
see. Yeah.
so I was you know
Yes.
yeah come on
Yeah. Visible.
okay so I was you know making this one flood relief के ऊपर sometime back right या फिर I was again these are all my personal notes you know I mean I also posted in LinkedIn so I was make this personal note कि flood आया flood गया और हमें डाटा कलेक्शन मिल गया सब कुछ मिल गया लेकिन कहानी तो अभी भी वही है ना so now what I'm trying to say that कि this might be interesting for you know an organization who is interested in storytelling right या फिर मैं एक और डाला था ये लिंक्डइन में कि हम रिलीफ किट को कौन डिजाइन करता है रिलीफ किट और कैसे डिजाइन होता है है ना so वो it's a design thinking
these are very interesting and people get hooked to it, sir.
So now the thing is which I'm also realizing is that ki some people do understand frameworks diagrams some people understand stories some people understand उनको मोटे रिसर्च बुक जब तक मिलता नहीं है मजा नहीं आता है so I think that कि you know पूरा एक स्पेक्ट्रम के हिसाब से देखना पड़ेगा to how to get people because also we are trying to get spectrum so our approach has to be a spectrum approach in the sense have to have different approaches come together art is also an art but then someone who is very academic might not like it might say oh this is nice and then निकल जाएगा बाहर might like it अरे यार ये तो दिमाग खराब करने वाला एक methodology use किया इन्होंने very interesting method let's look at it maybe for example and academician also might like it I'm not saying they won't but then I'm saying that ki, you know we need to have different kinds of these tools which organizations are really building like I know again हम काफी बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में because they are really championing in this space so like they have a lot of different kinds of tools different stories के साथ अपने इनका tool है research lot of research database है lot of dashboards and you know like heat maps के तरह diagrammatic कुछ चीजें इनके है, which is very interesting. So I'm saying that कि हमें spectrum के हिसाब से देखना पड़ेगा as a solutions to. फिर उसी तरह से I mean get people like अभी content creation वाला space है. India is huge in that, and I go crazy to think that how this college graduates tell so powerful stories in just 30 seconds, which
30
big
seconds.
budget movie builders cannot create that kind of excitement. I'm like,
Absolutely.
we need those young people at the table to create 30 second में boss फाड़ दो. Right? So, you know, so and to create a lot of different kinds of approaches to see that to land. I mean, है
So,
ना?
just curious, and also we will come closer to towards the closure, close to the closure. Curious, where do you see expanding this art form in your own career? How do you plan to take it further? I know you enjoy it very much. I see almost every day coming something in LinkedIn. Now that I'm studying about you, so personally I'm fond of studying about people. So it's not my profession. So since I
I'm glad.
had your session confirmed, I'm trying to see what kind of work and all, but also keen to understand. And that's the fundamental question I have been asking from the beginning. But where do you see that this that you will utilize this artwork uh, from your childhood memories of water, flood, commons, and working professionally? Where do you think this art form can be extremely contributing, and how would you like to utilize it in future? See, water crisis is going to increase for sure. But at the same time, I think we need to learn people about the appreciating.
Sure. I'm more, so a lot of interested also to bring the research studies होते हैं ना हमारे. How to bring those research studies in front of the common public in using some of my tools that I use. You know, itne strong and powerful research we have, you know, on place, which are basically lying down in the deck somewhere. In the university से पढ़ा हुआ है. तो मेरा कोशिश ये है अभी आगे थोड़ा सा ये भी देखना है कि while I'm also developing my, you know, social sketching as a practice, also see that at the same time that how some of this research becomes easily accessible and palatable to common public.
That is the purpose, actually. I mean, for me also, that's very important issue.
Exactly.
That how can it become accessible and even comprehensible to common people?
Absolutely, absolutely. So वो simplify कैसे करे वो सारे studies के चीजों को? I have done and I'm doing some already doing some research communication pieces with different organizations across equity, gender, अलग-अलग मुद्दों पे. But then at the same time, I'm also keen, more and more keen कि इसको और ज़्यादा research मेरे को मुझे simplify करके palatable बनाना है लोगों के लिए, ताकि वो I mean हो गया. अभी इतना साल हो गया हमारे, हमने काफी ज्यादा रिसर्च को भी गेट कीप कर लिया है हमने, है ना. अभी अच्छे कुछ रिसर्च देखने के लिए पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, which is also interesting.
Which is ironical, but we have no choice. But I'm sure once your compilation also comes in, we'll have to pay to see it. Right now we see it for free, but if it comes in a book format, we'll also have to pay for it.
No, I'm sure. I mean, not denying that, but then you know, but then I'm saying कि when I'm saying gatekeeping, I'm also saying that कि वो public तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा, कुछ extension gap तो हो रहा है. I've studied in the Department of Extension Education in the university. तो वहाँ पे जब तो एक्सटेंशन डिपार्टमेंट का जो काम है, अब also done some work with एग्रीकल्चर एक्सटेंशन एंड जेंडर के ऊपर ना वहाँ पे, तो उस पेज में भी दिखाई दे रहा है कि यार रिसर्च एंड एक्सटेंशन एंड देन पब्लिक, उसके बीच में जो गैप है ना वो उसको रिड्यूस करना है, उसको कम होते हुए देखना है, यू नो. तो वो एक चीज है, रिसर्च एजुकेशन एंड पब्लिक के बीच में एक्सटेंशन, उसको और ज्यादा गैप कम करना है using this method. This is what I'm thinking.
Personally, I feel these kind of art forms are undermined as well as underutilized in public domain. But as you rightly mentioned, now mass media or social media and have a lot of these content creators who are giving strong messages in a short form as well.
Yeah.
But I still feel that these visuals have a very long impact, and also I think it is softening. You know, it stays with you for a long, long time. Yeah,
Mm,
because it has a form. The thing is that
mm.
we lot of time we want to express in forms, and the visuals you had. I mean, now I can relate with the short term, long term vision, how it came together with people in it, and each of them have par- parcels had a story, a
Yeah.
graphical story, and then you can unpack, and of course it has to be complemented with a lot of words out there,
Yes, yes,
not
yes, yes,
without them.
yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
I mean,
And
I
and
wish.
and lastly, I also put this in the lot of this conversations that जब तक हमारी डेटा के साथ स्टोरी नहीं है ना, हमें डेटा याद भी नहीं रहता
हाँ,
है
absolutely.
ना? सो अगर फिर स्टोरीज के साथ डेटा नहीं है तो स्टोरी इज जस्ट ए फील गुड, अच्छी अच्छी चीज हो
हाँ,
रही है।
it's both have to be together.
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली, है ना? तो वो वो मुझे लगता है कि हमें और बारीकी से करने की जरूरत है कि हमें स्टोरीज को, हम अगर स्ट्रेटेजी बता रहे हैं कि हम लोग स्ट्रेटेजी भी स्टोरी के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। अगर हम टीओसी बता रहे हैं, टीओसी को भी एक कहानी हो सकती है उसके साथ, सो दैट पीपल रिमेंबर्स दिस स्टफ। इट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, टीओसी इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट, इट्स ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टफ। सो अगर स्टोरी के साथ ये याद रहता लोगों को।
yeah. My always concern is कि पहली बार we have to get them hooked, and then maybe then they can take a call whether to engage or not,
Yes,
whether it is a
yes,
discussion or whether it is a manuscript. I mean, both, because we have some psychologically, if it is a big book, big report, first of all, accessible नहीं होते हैं, but even if they're accessible, we have a weakness to read long stories, unless and until it is a strong grappling story, or it is a novel, or people who have really habit of reading. But graphics is something, or visual art, I will say, is something which you don't miss. You really want to get into it and decode and just find out and make your own sense. I think that is also the additional room that it provides you to imagine by yourself. One thing is artist has imagined, the art maker, and also it leaves us also some room to imagine, the
correct.
viewer. And I think that room provided offers a lot of comfort to engage with this art form,
Mm.
uh, vis-a-vis words. I mean, that is my observation. I may
Mm.
be biased about it, but I feel that, oh, I can draw this. I mean, actually, I had a very interesting experience recently in New York, and I went to a small farmers market, and there were two artists who were drawing live,
Mhm.
in there, and it was very interesting to see, and the full wall, and they were just drawing life, lot of things about life, of course. With it had river, church, clock tower, everything you can imagine, and a wall full of graphics. So I'm just curious and keen that I hope someday we get to engage with you and make some artwork to show our water concerns, as well as how we can celebrate water in that sense. And I would also like to now ask you if you have any other artwork which you would like to share. Maybe it's a good time that you share, and we can start closing the conversation.
Mm. What do I have to share? What?
Okay, I also wish to share something very simple,
Yeah, yeah.
not from my side, just to tell you why I get interested with artists. And it
हाँ.
and the thing is, it's really, it takes me a lot of time, because the problem with drawing, the way I like to draw, I'm looking for some kind of perfection in a very imperfect work. So that's a problem.
Mm.
So and
Mm.
that's what I like about your work, Anuj Kale and Shreya Khandekar. I mean, that it it looks imperfect and yet perfect, So like, it is conveying everything I would like to see in those artwork. You know what I mean?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
I really wish that artwork is more part of the water discourses,
हाँ.
because end of the day, we would like more people to engage in water, make water everybody's business and all. So are you
हाँ.
sharing screen, or I mean, yeah,
I'm just trying to find one of this art which I did some time back, and I was like,
sure.
you were saying something. You can share that first. Yeah,
Okay,
you
I
can.
will share something
Yes.
which I made, but it is not on the spot. Huh? I came back and did. This is from Baroda. Do you see my screen?
My
No.
goodness,
No.
this is that you did?
No, but this is something which I mean, I always feel incomplete, and I like to keep doing it, which is a very bad idea because it's not
Damn,
satisfying. So just to show
damn.
you, but it is. I'm
Wow.
I'm usually not satisfied, and because I feel that I could have done better. And then I give
Wow.
up that drawing. So that's just to give you an idea. And most of the time I have drawn them for children. I
Wow.
came back and I just drew them for children. It's not for me, but some little angel friend I have with me, and I have to explain and give them some story. So this was in Manipur. I did.
Wow.
I'm just closing it now just to give you an idea. But the thing is, the work did not start with an intention to make an artwork, but then I feel, if someone else had drawn this, which I also feel for myself, I want to make some corrections there. That's my problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then then the problem is, then I don't do much of it. So I
Mm.
mean, I feel like people like you, that it's so inspiring to see that lot of artwork is required. I wish I could
Yeah.
express many things through artwork rather than writing those difficult lines. I wish I could do that, because these are also very time consuming, because I am not really a full-time artist, or not having those artistic skills. Take a lot of effort and pain.
Mm.
I wish it was a very flowing kind of thing, instead of
Yeah.
making a very rigorous effort.
Mm.
So I'm just curious.
Yeah.
I,
Yeah.
I think I stopped sharing, and maybe I'll take.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Lovely. I mean, this is. I really loved it. Maybe I saw that the kind of the pen that you use and everything. This is interesting. बहुत detail काम है. It reminded me of this artist
But
called
it's usually then
TDS. आपको देख के
for
लग रहा है
done for some children. So
आपका आर्टवर्क को देख रहा है बहुत tedious काम है ये वाला. बहुत
and
डिटेलिंग है
I
ना.
also get tired doing it. That is
So
my problem.
so
I
there
would
was
like to
this.
finish it quickly.
So you know this artist called Joe Sacco.
हाँ.
जो साको
Yes.
इन्होंने वो लिखा था ना एक किताब पैलेस्टीन.
Hmm.
He went to Palestine as a journalist. लेकिन he ended up becoming a cartoonist in Palestine and comes back with a comic book. है ना,
Hmm.
thick 5 this size comic
So
book.
telling the serious work in a difficult way.
Satirical way के साथ जिन्होंने बताया पैलेस्टीन की कहानी अपने अपने
Hmm.
नजर में क्या देखा. But what I'm trying to say is his artwork resembles some of your styles. Very detailed. वेरी डिटेल्ड लाइन. हर एक टेक्सचर वो ना पेंसिल से टेक्सचर बनाएंगे. मतलब ये चश्मे का शेड ना वो पेन से लेकर आएंगे. मतलब तो सो व्हेन समवन लुक्स एट आर्ट पीस दे लाइक इस एक पीस को करने के लिए एनी आर्टिस्ट वुड टेक लेट्स से 1 month टाइम टू डू दैट थिंग. बट दिस मैन
Absolutely.
हैज रिटन this big size whole comic book. It's like crazy. So your art resembles his style. I love it. बहुत बढ़िया है.
Absolutely. But I mean, in your case, when you were showing that very simple skeleton of focus group discussion, then you had this interesting, and an eventual work was completely, astonishing as a masterpiece, because then you get interested and engaged in that artwork. So I do hope people use this kind of
Yeah.
art form in serious
Yeah.
discussions.
Yeah.
And while you are showing the screen, I would also like to start announcing our forthcoming Friday Waters also. And I'm just wondering if you are able to find your artwork to show, or we can just call it off for the day.
May I so
You couldn't find it?
this came as a thought in one of my conference when I was there. I was
Please show.
listening. So I just made it,
Uh, this this is extremely important in water, by the way.
Hannah, then I don't know. I mean, and also
So you carry with you all the time, and you're just
I
expressing
always.
yourself in
Yeah,
art.
yeah.
This
Yeah,
is something I think we all must learn.
I always do carry this like couple of sketchbooks, and like different sizes to just put, अच्छा
Sure.
लगता है. Anyway, this is really amazing conversation with you, Mansi. Loved it. मजा आ
Thank
गया.
you so much. Thank you so much, Indrajit, for this lovely conversation. And I really wish you all the best. And
Thank
I hope
you.
you engage more in the water sector, and we can pull you more towards water,
Yeah.
celebrating water, but also at the same time expressing the deep concerns, water crisis, and how the community is facing the water crisis in the country.
Yeah.
We continue with Friday Water Arts next week, and we will also continue with Goa Water Stories with Living Waters Museum on July 25th at 5 p.m. IST. And that will be also the closing session of Goa Water Stories as a series. Next Wednesday, which is on July 23rd at 5 p.m., we have Wednesdays for water session. We will discuss, and it's a biodiversity series co-hosted by Saki Waters, and we will discuss the life of dugongs, the world of dugongs. On Monday, we actually usually do Monday Munching and Musing with Women for Water. On July 21st, we have an interesting conversation where we acknowledge and appreciate the life of women in the water sector, and we have Swati Ganeshan at 5 p.m. again to talk about her water journey. And we shall continue these water conversations at W4W, as we strongly believe water conversations are crucial for water conservation. We thank all our supporters for their encouragement to make these water conversations meaningful as we slowly inch towards 400 conversations, making us among the longest water conversation ever taken up. Thanks all of you, and thank you so much once again, Indrajit, for your time and also sharing how you are going to take it up and also how you started about your artwork. Thanks a lot. Please take care and see you soon.
Thanks, Mansi. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.